Hey guys, Matt here from Dunn Watson. We're just going to run you through one of our new products that we call the 45-degree combination LED light. So we do have one on our website. That one doesn't have a button. This one does have a button and it's dimmable. So don't get the two confused. But we're just going to run you through what you're going to get in the pack. So we'll start with the light itself. So this is obviously the aluminium casing. 45 degrees, button on, button off right there. Bunch of cable, red and black wires for you to do what you got to do. Secondly, you'll get the big gasket. This just goes on the underside to seal it. And then these ones here, two of those just go in there, creating a nice tight seal when you bolt it in. And then lastly, you'll get two screws. That's what comes with it, but you might end up changing those to bolts. So that's all good. I'll just run you through how it actually works. It's very, very simple. And it's just the press of a button. So that's on. That currently is on both lights, so you've got your white and your amber, so then you would turn that off, turn it back on to orange, tap it then again to dim it, make it brighter, then it goes to the white, and you hold it, dim it again, and then lastly the triple press, then you've got two lights there on at the same time, tap it again, make it brighter, dim it there again, and then lastly off. So really cool, you can put it on, doesn't attract the moths and all the bugs and stuff, have it nice and dimmable, set the mood. If you have any questions on this, please give us a call or flick us an email.